This is the majestic Javan Hawk-Eagle, Indonesia's rare and powerful raptor. With only a few hundred left in the wild, this endangered species reigns supreme in the dense tropical jungles of Java. Known for its striking plumage and incredible hunting skills, it can spot prey from over a mile away. But sadly, habitat loss threatens this king of the skies. Can we save this symbol of Indonesia's natural heritage before it's too late? Every action counts. Help spread awareness to protect the Javan Hawk-Eagle and other incredible wildlife. Subscribe now.